Hello guys, my name is Alex Gutierrez Mendez and this is my presentation. Um, so for my IBP plan that I decided to propose, I proposed the name Apple Green. So just a little bit of an introduction. Apple was basically founded in April 1st, 1973 in California. It's an American multinational company that's gained control of the technology market with its first Apple computer, which was Apple One. Since then, Apple has grown to be more of a big company in the technology industry with the release of not just Apple computers, but other products like Apple Watches, iPhones, and more. So, a big key issue at stake is the CSR sector of Apple. At a net worth of $2 trillion, Apple still manages to fall behind many current companies in terms of their social responsibility. So, right now, Apple CSR on their website says Apple is committed to the highest standard of social responsibility across our worldwide supply chain. We insist that all of our suppliers provide safe working conditions, treat workers with dignity and respect, and use environmentally responsible manufacturing processes. Our actions, from thorough site audits to industry leading trainings, demonstrate this commitment. Um, Although Apple pitches their message of social responsibility, there's still much to be done. Currently, Apple is committed to the carbon neutrality for supply chain and products by 2030. That's on their website. Also on their website, under their CSR page, they also have like their vision, mission statement, and values. But for my IBP plan that I have proposed, for the value proposition, Apple wants to offer the best products with the most up-to-date technology, all while still being the most social responsible and transparent to its current and future consumers. And the key message with that is, with the current state of the world, Apple wants to continue being more transparent. With companies expanding and more products being made, consumers have every right to not trust big companies. At Apple, we want to give more of a voice to consumers so their input is being taken into consideration. We are committed to the production of safe, ethically made products. With that comes a lot of work with our current environmental plans, and the launch of Apple Green will mark a milestone of Apple's way of being more socially responsible. So for the current IB plan that I have proposed, it would be divided up into quarterly. For the year plan, it would be the first quarter would essentially be marketing research on different consumers that are Apple customers, on what their input is, and also future consumers that are thinking about buying Apple products, what they think Apple should do, and what they think of Apple in terms of social responsibility. The second quarter would be an environmental outreach to influencers. And also Apple, instead of creating their own CSR plan, this would be like an extension to their current environmental processes that they're doing. So instead of Apple trying to create things for themselves, they need to step back and reevaluate everything, and see it from others' perspective. So with environmental outreach, they would basically be collaborating with environmental agencies, their leaders, social influencers, environmental influencers, people that are big in the world right now, and see their input and how they can be better. And then the third quarter would be an the online and in-person video print ads would be promoted, essentially promoting the event, which would be in the fourth quarter. Apple usually has an Apple event where they promote new products, but instead of promoting new products, they would promote the launch of Apple Green. This way, they would gain more traction from everyone around the world, and attention on all social media sites, and promoting this first in the third quarter, with just like sneak peeks of like the influencers they're working with, like Greta Thunberg. This would like help Apple a lot because it's showing that Apple's not just trying to speak for themselves; they're seeking input from their consumers, manufacturers, and also environmental influencers. And so this is a key visual that I have proposed for the IBP plan. This would be released online and also in stores it would be like a print ad and digital ad, kind of reflecting on consumers that are that shop for Apple products, and also big people, like people involved in manufacturing of Apple products, and then influencers who are big on environmental issues and social responsibility. That way, Apple's not just speaking for themselves, but they're actually seeking input from other people. And that is the end of my presentation.